Naomi Home presents the Frida Fleece Minimalist Accent Chair Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. You will find the parts needed for this build underneath the chair base. To get started, connect the backrest onto the chair base. Place one spacer piece onto each of your leg pieces. Next, attach 4 legs onto the bottom of the chair base by using 3 bolts per leg. And there you have it. Your Frida Fleece Minimalist Accent Chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.